Question 29. The quantum numbers listed below are for 4 different electrons in the same atom. Arrange them in order of increasing energy. Indicate whether any two have the same energy. Now values of quantum numbers are given. To arrange them in the order of increasing energy, सबसे पहले तो energy find out कर लेंगे. Now n plus l की वैल्यू निकालेंगे. n plus l की वैल्यू जिनकी कम होगी उनकी एनर्जी भी कम होगी. So in case of A, n plus l is 4. In case of B, n plus l is 5. In case of C, n plus l is 5. In case of D, n plus l is 4. So A और D के केस में n plus l की वैल्यू जो है वो B और C से कम है. But in both A and D, the n plus l value is same. तो अब कैसे पता करेंगे कि which one has low energy? If the value of n plus l is same, then we will compare the values of n. The one with lesser value of n has lesser energy. So in case of A and D, D has smaller value of n in comparison to A. Therefore, D has lesser energy than A. Now, B and C, both of them have the same value of n plus L as well as they have the same value of n. So both B and C have greater value of energy than A, but the energy of B and C is equal. So the order of energy will be A greater than D, B greater than A, but B is equal to C. Now from the quantum numbers, A designates 4s orbital, B designates 3d orbital, C designates 3d orbital, and D designates 3p orbital.